everyone, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Star Looksbook box. This is by Starlooks Cosmetics, and this box is known as Starbox, and this is this resort edition. I got this to review, and look at this box, guys. Like, it is just so pretty and so beautiful, and you get that beachy kind of vibes from this. It is just amazing. Alright, so I got this in this white thing, and along with this box I got this envelope, and then there are like few gift vouchers and all that thing, all the good things rather, all those good things rather. Alright, so they're like gift vouchers from a lot of brands, which is like really nice. And the best thing about these gift vouchers is that they never expire. So yes, and then there's this pamphlet sort of thing where they tell you what is a looks book. So yes, that's that. So yes, this is the box, and behind this box there are like a few things written which I'll read out to you guys. That is, your 2-week jet set trip felt like 3 days. Time rushes by too quickly when you're surrounded by the warm, crystal clear aqua water of the ritzy tropics. You are awakened from this dream place to the buzz of your morning alarm and realize, sigh, you're home now, and life must continue as it does. But as you get ready for the day, you discover soft white sand still lingering in your shoes, and you remind yourself summer isn't over yet. So in India it is monsoon, but then it's India, so you know the weather is always like very warm and humid. So yes, summer is actually not over till, I guess, till the end of October, because it's quite warm out here, quite hot out here till the end of October. So yes, I'm really happy that I got this. Now let's just unbox this box, because let's start with the unboxing, because I know you guys are getting excited too. So yes, you open this box like this. It is so nice, you know, like it might look like that this thing might, you know, open and fall and all that stuff, but no, it's a really good box, really good quality. Just look at this, and it just closes, and it doesn't even opens. So yes, that's really nice. Like, they are doing a great job. And then the thing about Looksbook is that they send you like how to apply the stuffs, and you know the shade name and all that. So that's why they call it a Looksbook, because there's like they are telling you how to apply the stuff and everything. This month they have sent ooh, the colors are really nice. And okay, so the first thing that I see out here, and it's not really an unboxing video because I've already seen the stuffs, I've already used the stuffs, and I'm completely in love with each and everything that they've sent. Alright, so this first thing is it's a lipstick, and it's called LS1 Jet Set. The packaging itself is so classy. Like, seriously, it's such a classy packaging. It has this matte finish. It looks so classy, guys. And this lipstick is, while actually opening this box when I first got it, I'm a wild unboxer, so I kind of broke this lipstick, so I can't really, you know, just take the whole thing out. It'll just fall. And yes, but this color is a beautiful color. Just look at it. I know it looks kind of, you know, because of the temperature out, like in India right now, if you're like keeping your lipsticks outside, you know, when you're on your vanity for 2 or 3 minutes or something, not 2 or 3 minutes, but 2 or 3 hours, this is what your lipsticks are gonna look like. Trust me. So this color is so pretty. Like, it just can look good on any skin color. Trust me. Like, seriously, it can look good on any color. I'll just swatch it for you guys. 1 sec. It's a pretty light color. Pretty light color. Alright, so let's go to the second thing. There are like 3 things in this box, and did I just mention that this lipstick smells amazing? Like, I've received 2 lipsticks from Starlooks, you know, till date, and both of them smell like amazing. Like, seriously, you can buy them any day for the packaging and the smell. No. But then, come on. So yes, the second thing that have sent me is, what is this? Okay. There's an eyeshadow. This water eyeshadow. I've never had these kind of stuff, like this kind of stuff in my life. This is like the first time I'm seeing such a stuff. It's a water eyeshadow, and it's in the shade WS1 Aqua. Again, matte finish, looks classy, yay. So yes, this is the color of the eyeshadow. I hope you guys can see that. It's a nice minty color. It has shimmer, it has a lot of shimmer in it. You know, camera might make it look silver, or when you apply it and click photos it might look a bit silver, but it's actually a minty color, a minty green color. It's a beautiful color, and these kind of colors look gorgeous on Indian skin tone, guys. So yes, I'll again swatch it for you guys. It might look silver on camera, but it is minty green. This is how it looks like. You guys can see that, I hope so. Alright, and the last thing out here is this highlighter cum blush. Yes, it's a highlighter cum blush duo, and it's called, the highlighter is called Ritz and the blush is called Tropic. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Really handy, you can carry it anywhere. In fact, you can carry this box anywhere around. It's not that heavy, it's very handy, and it's very travel friendly. So yes, you can just carry all your stuffs right inside this. I mean, the stuffs you get, you can just carry this box, you can go anywhere, you know. So yes, this is this thing. This blush is a nice peachy pink color, which is really nice, you know, because you can't really wear a deep pink color on an everyday basis. You may like to wear it, but then if you ask me, I would always prefer like light and neutral colors, because that look again really amazing. So yes, okay, I'm having OCD issues. Okay, whew. Okay, so there's a blush. It's a nice peachy pink color, and it is just gorgeous, guys. It's just beautiful. It doesn't look unnatural, it is just beautiful. You guys will not be able to see it properly, so I'm just showing you guys from here. But then I'll try again, wait. Can you guys see it? I said it's amazing, you can wear it, you know, daily, and it just looks natural. So yes, I hope you guys could see that, and I really hope you guys could see that. And if not, then don't worry, I know the lighting isn't that good, so I'll also insert pictures of the shades, so don't worry about that. Now coming to this Starbucks thing, this looks book is for $19, I guess, and a regular Starbucks is for $12 if I'm not wrong. I'll insert their website link in the description box, so you guys can see that. So yes, I'll insert their website link out there in the description box. Also in the screen right now there'll be the link, so you guys can just go and check it. So yes, this stuff is for $19, I guess. Is that you should, you know, be able to finish your makeup even before it gets damaged or destroyed, or like it reaches the expiry date. You should be able to use that. It's not like, you know, buying too many stuff and then not being able to finish it and then throwing it away, because they do cost you money, right? Like they do cost a lot. Like good makeup do cost a lot. So this idea of whole Starbucks thing or the looks book thing is really great, and as I said, they send you good quality products. Packaging is just gorgeous, as you can see. And yes, and they will send you tips and tricks, like if you're a beginner, or if you don't know how to, or if you're confused how to use products. Like I have had subscription boxes which have sent me products which I have no idea how to use, and I'm just like, how do I use this? But then at times it just happens, guys. But then with this looks book, you can literally understand how to use the stuff. Like over here they tell you how to use the eyeshadow, over here they tell you how to use the highlighter and the blush, over here they tell you how to use the lipstick. Like these colors are girly and perfect for summer. So yay to Starbucks. Actually, this looks book. And yes, you can just go to the website, you can buy their makeup, and you can buy individual stuff. You can even subscribe to this box. I'll link down the website below that, and you can contact with me on Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, what else, Instagram, my love, yes, Instagram, and obviously YouTube. So yes, don't forget to comment below your video request or whatever you want to say. Just comment below and I'll definitely check them out and I'll reply to you guys. Obviously I will. So yes, all my social media account links are in the description box. The website link will also be in the description box, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like please, please, please.